Even though I really love my halcyon bar end mirrors on my bike, as you can see on the pictures here, due to the angle of my bar and also the restrictions of the halcyon mirrors, I can't really angle them enough to get a really good clear view bar behind me. So yeah, sadly I can't keep them on the bike, so yeah, here is a small unboxing of the Snell Bar end mirrors. So those are silver ones. Yeah, I do think those look really cool as well, but I just preferred the classic look on the halcyon mirrors. I will, however, keep those halcyon mirrors, and if I ever change to a straight bar, or who knows, on another bike that have better suited bars for them, I will be able to use them then.